Namaste and welcome to Nikki's Toolkit. You have joined me in the energetic space, the energetic place where we share thoughts, we share ideas, we share time, we share space, we share tools, and how we navigate and live a wholesome, nourishing, and supportive life. Tools that I have found to be supportive to my life, and I take great pleasure in making available with the intention and the wish that it will support and nourish your life even more. Today I want to talk about help. This is a very big word and an even bigger action. And at a time and a space as now, where so much is unfamiliar, so much is distressing, so much is providing dis-ease on mind, body, soul levels for so many people, the action, the thought of help, I find, is a very important subject for us to focus on. And the thing I want to put forward today is the thought of help from the perspective of, if we are unable to receive help, then we are not able to truly give help. It is important for us to understand that a lot of times pity parades as help. We live in a time and a space, we live in worlds, we live in cultures, we have socializations where we are fostered, nurtured, encouraged by the practices to see how we can one-up man each other, one-up woman each other, focusing on the differentiation between ourselves. And so a lot of times in giving help, persons, there's an energy behind it that, at least it's not me, or that is so unfortunate for that person, as opposed to seeing it and feeling it and experiencing it through compassion and understanding that while situations may differ, while the experiences may be different, the idea and the reality of needing support at some point in time or another is universal. No man is an island, and so no matter what it is that the form of help is, a lot of the times we rate it and put it on a scale, whether it's somebody needing to hold your hand, or whether it's somebody needing a meal, then we rank it to determine what is more important or what is not such a big issue. Totally failing to understand that while it is that we might need physical things that we're crying out for help for, it does create emotional distress and dis-ease. So at the base level of it, when we need help, when we are looking for help in any form, whether it be physical support, emotional support, whatever the form it takes, at some point at the breakdown and the base level, it causes some emotional distress, because what we have identified is something that is lacking at the moment that we are seeking. And so it is essential. The neighborhood dog is clearly needing help or pointing out something at the moment, it is essential for us to understand that one, we have to embrace when we need help, no matter what it is. And sometimes the needing of help does not even involve the engagement of any other physical person in the space. Sometimes we just need to voice what it is that we need assistance with. Sometimes it is just to say, I need clarity on this matter. So you come out of your own head when you're navigating anything that you're looking to find a solution for. It is also knowing, because a lot of the times people don't ask for help. People don't accept help because there's fear and shame that is associated with it. It is important for us to make sure that in giving help, we make sure there is no judgment attached to what we're giving. Because I have found that whenever you attach judgment, then you live in a space where you are expecting judgment back. And that is what happens. So today, at this time, in this space, with everything that is going on in this world that we're living in, everything that is changing, everything that is opening up, with all that we're shedding, I invite you to look at how you have been asking for and receiving help. It is important in the process to make sure that we are looking for help in spaces that are supportive and nourishing, because this practice is like a muscle. And so we don't want to move into lockdown if we get to spaces that are not nourishing us, or send other people into lockdown if we are not nourishing and supporting them and ask for help. And don't attach anything to it. If somebody asks you for help, or you see the need to help, help out of the pureness and the good intention of your heart and your soul, with no judgment and no expectation back that the person is going to help you when you need help, because that doesn't always turn out to be the case. And guess what? It's okay. Thank you for choosing to share time and space with me today. And I wish for you a nourishing, wholesome, and supportive day, fully aware of giving with pure and good intentions whenever we see the need to help, understanding truly that we truly cannot give help if we don't know how to receive it. And so if there's anything you need help with today, stop and ask. Sometimes it's just saying it out aloud, even if it's just to yourself, or if it's the people in your space where you know it's a safe space, where you feel comfortable. Start disarming the wall that you put around asking for help. And when you are asked for help, remember, whatever you can, give it with pureness and with love and compassion. I wish for you a wholesome, nourishing, and supportive day. And thank you for choosing to share time and space with me. Namaste.